from 3D printing at home. I can't wait to show you this awesome project. I'm about to pull it off of the build tray for you in just a moment here, but I want to set you up and let you know exactly what it is. It is an absolutely gorgeous hip flask, 8 inches. It's a cover. It's a hip flask cover. It was printed on the Elegoo Neptune 3 Max, and we did it in a silk bronze, a PLA from Elegoo, and I cannot be more happy with it. Let me show it to you. I'm going to go nice and slow. It's all pulled off, so all right. And I'm just going to put it together for you here. This is what it will look like when you go ahead and drop the actual hip flask in. This is so beautiful. The color is amazing. The details are excellent. I think so many people would like this. This could be like a fun present for like a bachelor party or really anything. I can think of anybody would like to have this. It's just so stylish and super fun, and I hope you like it. Bye-bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.